Hey guys, it's Art here. Good morning to you. Hope all is well. Trust that you're having a good day so far. It is Twisted Tuesday, November 11th at 9:28. We got less than 2 minutes to go before the New York Open. As you can see on the daily frame, we have functional inside days on the Nasdaq, S&P, and the Dow. We did marginally break, but it doesn't really count in my books. Bearish body on the Nasdaq and the S&P, and marginal bullish body on the Dow. Resting day here so far, guys, after a big trend day in New York. As most of you will know, this is my trading grid, the daily, the 30, and the 1 minute chart. The 30-minute chart is my zone time frame. We have turbo zones stacked here, guys. Below, below, below. Naked bodies right there. One. Couple right there. Big gap in naked bodies here, guys. This is a giant naked body, no offense. And we have prices that have been pulling down by gravity through Asia and through London and continue series of lower highs and lower lows for now. It doesn't mean that's going to have to continue, but these tend to act as magnets and sometimes will draw prices down even further. But this is a US index. It's the NASDAQ. NASDAQ ended very bullish in the American session, right? New York, which starts right now. Let's see if they're still bullish coming in and if they don't agree with what the Asians did here selling this thing down and what the Europeans did selling this thing down. We are now open. And there's the 1 minute open range, guys. On the NASDAQ, we're looking at about 29.5 points, give or take. On the S&P, 6 points. Just kind of a modest opening so far. And again, it would be perfectly normal to have a resting day here after such a big snapback from that bottoming tail. We closed handily above the 9 and the 9 EMAs. Bull market very much still intact. On the 1 minute chart, there's the London open range, just above where we are, more or less. And then we have the Asian open range and the Globex open. Before that, that was Australia, then Asia, then London, and now New York down here. So we've been selling down. But now the Americans show up, and they might have a very different idea in mind. They were certainly bullish yesterday, right to the close. I'm going to delete these open ranges now, guys, to keep things clean. I likely won't do anything in this range at all here, guys. And pushing up now, guys. Just dropping down to the 30-second chart for a moment. And back in the open range, guys, for both sisters. Still on the 1 minute chart, guys. This is certainly not fast market conditions. Not dropping down to the 30-second. Just bringing out a market and measure. You see me do this all the time. Where would 2R fall, for example? All right, sell stop order, guys, for now. Sell stop order. We have a fake update with a bearish body, guys. In other words, we failed to move higher as we broke yesterday's high, and that was overnight, of course, in Asia or Europe. In fact, it was Asia, early Asia, right there, that little piece. A rest or a pullback would be expected after a very strong trend day like we had yesterday. Sell stop order, stop above the open range. And I'm in, guys. I am in. Short the NASDAQ. This is in anticipation of a zone break. In fact, we're breaking it right now. The body's right there. You see that there as we speak? Watching the Americans continue the whole idea of the failed break higher. Bearish body, naked body down below, acts as a magnet. Turbo zone down below. Naked body down below on the 30-minute chart as well as on the daily chart. These are solid stacked magnets. Of course, the volume of New York can accomplish great things. All right, guys, we're back, and it looks like some fresh buying just came in here. And I think this one's going to come all the way back for a 1 hour charge to start the day. And there it is, guys. 1 hour charge across the board. Thanks for being here. Appreciate you. Have an amazing afternoon, and I'll see you tomorrow for Hump Day and more fun and games. Take care.